Welcome back to MS Word Tutorials. Today we are going to see how to insert and delete the comment in Word. Okay, comments are the most important and useful features in the Word document. It's used to give suggestions to others to make the document more understandable. Okay, let's see how to insert the comment now. So to insert a comment, we need to highlight or select the text that you want to comment. I'm just showing you the process. Okay. So to insert the text, first of all, you need to select the text. And now let's go to review tab on the ribbon. Okay. In the comment section, you can see here new comment icon. Click on that. See, a dialog box will appear on the right side. Here you can insert the comment. Okay, so this is how you can insert comment. Just select this and click on delete. This is how we can delete the comment in Word. So very simple topic. So that's all for today. Thank you.